Let's unbox my DJI Mini 5 Pro, upgraded from the Mini 3 Pro, so I'm excited. Let's pop it open and see what's inside. Here's the bag all neatly packed. The drone looks amazing. This box has ND filter set, USB, and other accessories. This controller comes with a big screen. I'm excited for it, and of course, can't forget the batteries. Now let's get the drone and controller turned on for all the updates. Antennas up. Cannot wait to film on it. And the classic sounds. Follow for more.